How to join Midjourney Discord. The first step is to go to Google, type in Midjourney, then click on sign in with Discord. You can click on midjourney.com directly as well, but once you're on Midjourney, you'll want to click on join the beta. You can do sign with Discord as well, but join the beta is slightly quicker because it takes you to this web page here. Then you'll want to click on accept invite. You might need to log into your Discord account before this and also sign up for an account if you don't have Discord already. But then once you've logged into your account or signed up, etc., or if you're already logged into Discord, you have to do the little image thing to verify you're a human. Once you've done that, it will accept the invite, it will open the Discord app, and then it'll just ask you two questions right here when it says what are your pronouns. You can skip that or say them if you want to, and then it'll ask you where you're located. You can click on that, then click finish, then click the little Midjourney logo at the top left hand corner there, and then you can use Midjourney. Leave a like on the video if that helped and subscribe for more helpful videos.